Welcome back everyone. Welcome to this amazing game that we're going to build, which is a breakout game, and we will learn to build our own levels and we can create a full game with that. So it's really neat. So let's start with just having a look at what we will build. So we have this tab to start the game, then I just tap and then I'm back here. Well, I made the level so you can see that we can get to the next level very easily and show you the next level. So there we are, we have another level which I just created, and it's really easy to create those levels with the system that I have put in place. So I will teach you how to build your own levels, and it will be done in a super easy way. So yeah, let's go ahead and build this application. Well, you've beaten the game. So in this case we have only 2 levels, but I will teach you the manner that you can build as many levels as you want. So the principles that you will learn in this tutorial will enable you to create like hundreds of levels if you feel like that. And yeah, that's awesome. So let's go ahead and build this application.